How does bradykinesia cause slow movement in Parkinson's? Imagine trying to move quickly but feeling like your muscles are weighed down or stuck. That's what people with Parkinson's often experience with bradykinesia, or slowness of movement. This symptom is a core part of Parkinson's disease and directly causes movements to become slower and smaller. The reason lies deep within the brain's control centers, especially a group called the basal ganglia. These structures help start, smooth out, and scale movements. In Parkinson's, the nerve cells that produce dopamine, a chemical messenger vital for coordinating movement, start to die. Without enough dopamine, the basal ganglia can't do their job properly. This leads to abnormal activity in the circuits that control movement, especially excessive beta-frequency oscillations. These oscillations increase inhibitory signals, which means the brain is sending stronger, stop signals to the muscles. As a result, the brain struggles to send clear, timely commands to move. This causes movements to be slower, smaller, and less fluid. Bradykinesia affects not just how fast someone moves but also how much they can move. Patients often notice that their movements become more sluggish over time, especially during repetitive tasks. This is called the sequence effect, where each movement gets even slower or smaller. It's not because muscles are weak but because the brain's signals to muscles are impaired. The brain also has trouble preparing for movement, leading to longer reaction times and muscles not activating fully. Sometimes, other parts of the brain try to help out by increasing activity, but this can make multitasking harder. Additionally, sensory feedback, which helps us adjust our movements, doesn't process correctly, making it even more difficult to control movements smoothly. Treatments that boost dopamine, like levodopa, can help improve bradykinesia by restoring better communication between the brain and muscles. However, these effects can lessen over time. When bradykinesia occurs alongside rigidity or muscle stiffness, it can make movements feel even slower and more effortful. But mainly, bradykinesia is about how the brain controls the speed and size of movements, not muscle strength. It's a disruption in the neural pathways that normally facilitate and scale voluntary movements. Understanding this helps explain why movements in Parkinson's become slow and small, and why managing dopamine levels can make a real difference. Always remember, if you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms, consulting a healthcare professional is essential for proper diagnosis and treatment options.